For all the MacBook Air M1 models, a new software update is rolling out. The version of this macOS Sequoia is 15.6. Coming to the size of this update, it's 2.84 GB. This update comes with enhancements, bug fixes, and security updates for the MacBook. I already downloaded it and I'm updating it now. Before updating, make sure you have a good internet connection and keep the MacBook battery above 50%. I'm still using this MacBook Air M1 model in my workflow. Let me know in the comments what things I can test in this and post a video about that. Alright, to complete this update, it took around 6 minutes. I used this MacBook after the update and I haven't seen any noticeable changes and any issues. For more than 48 hours, I used this MacBook and sharing this video. You can see the timing and date also at the top. So there are no issues. That's the quick update on the macOS Sequoia 15.6 for MacBook Air M1 models. Don't forget to like, share this video with other MacBook users. Also, subscribe if you are interested in tech videos.